High in the Himalayas, yak leather begins where nature shapes strength for survival. Each hide is carefully selected for density, resilience, and flawless natural grain.
This section needs a little cleaning, but the fiber density is perfect.
Agreed. Grade A quality.
Only the strongest sections are preserved for premium Himalayan leather.
Natural curing prepares the hides for transformation into luxury material.
Spinning and technique protect the leather's internal strength.
Steady, lift it higher. Got it, to the rack. Ready for the next one. Almost done here.
Every hide is secured to prevent damage before its long journey. From remote plateaus, the material moves toward modern processing.
That pallet by the third bay.
Copy that, moving it now. Get the straps ready.
Careful loading preserves quality at every step.
Easy now, bring it down slow. Steady. Good, now secure the chains. Easy now, keep it steady. Swinging right, guide it in. Lowering, watch your hands.
Now lower it slowly. It's clear on this side. Secure the straps once it settles.
Okay, lift it up. It's swinging, hold it steady. Keep guiding it right.
Careful loading preserves quality at every step. Nature and industry now meet on the road to transformation. The factory journey begins with purification and precision.
Each hide undergoes a thorough wash to remove impurities while preserving its natural texture.
Cleaned and refreshed, the hides are ready for precise factory processing.
Organized and measured, the hides are aligned for precision cutting.
Each hide undergoes a thorough wash to remove impurities while preserving its natural texture.
High-precision machinery ensures consistent cuts without damaging the leather.
Every piece is inspected for uniformity and quality before moving forward. Prepared pieces are now ready for the next stage of mechanical refinement.
Machines shape and treat each hide, enhancing flexibility and strength.
After treatment, each piece displays flawless texture, ready for the final stages. Now positioned for shaping, the leather awaits transformation into luxury goods. Each piece takes its shape, guided by machines and human precision. Freshly shaped, each piece reflects the precision and care of Himalayan craftsmanship. Temperature-controlled treatment ensures durability, flexibility, and perfect finish. Controlled heat or cooling locks in shape and enhances the leather's resilience. Packing areas are carefully organized to ensure safe and efficient handling.
Each product is packed with care, preserving quality for delivery.
Packed and labeled, products are ready for systematic storage. Storage areas are meticulously prepared to maintain organization and quality.
Products are carefully arranged for accessibility and safe storage. Finally, every product is stored and ready for distribution to customers worldwide.